New at 5, Minnesota's Chief Justice has announced her retirement from the state Supreme Court seat. Natalie Hudson was sworn in as the Chief Justice for Minnesota back in November of 2023. She is the first person of color to hold the position on Minnesota's highest court. During her time, Hudson has helped establish an AI response committee, helping the judicial branch approach technology with responsibility. She's also helped to launch the Mental Health Justice Initiative, which helps courts respond and serve people with mental illnesses. Before being elevated to Chief Justice, she served 8 years as a Minnesota Supreme Court Associate Justice and 13 years as a judge on the Minnesota Court of Appeals. Hudson will retire on September 20th. Minnesota state law has mandatory retirement for judges when they turn 70 years old. For Hudson, that will be next January. Minnesota Governor Tim Walz responding today, saying the Chief Justice Hudson stands among the giants of Minnesota history. He went on to say that she will be remembered for a lifetime of service to those seeking fairness and justice in our courts. Governor Walz says further details regarding the selection of the next Chief Justice will soon be announced.